When we started this journey with my husband, I didn't imagine we'd reach this far. But seeing how every room comes alive reminds me that patience truly builds beauty. What was once just an idea on paper now feels like watching a prayer being answered, piece by piece, stone by stone. It's a quiet kind of joy seeing something you once only dreamed about finally starts to stand right in front of you. Hi, my name is Sowino. I tell stories of my life through cooking videos, farming, and homesteading life in general. If this is the kind of content that interests you, kindly click the subscribe button for more amazing videos. Work has already begun in the next room, and outside, sand is being sieved. The sand we use is harvested from rivers here in the village, and sometimes it arrives a little bit wet. So we let it dry out completely before using it. In the previous video, I had promised to show you how they clean off the mud before connecting the Mazera stones, and that's exactly what we're doing here. We went back to the other room to continue with the same process we had started in the previous video. We began by pouring the anti-termite solution just like before, then followed with the diesel and used oil mixture all around the room. When it comes to working with Mazeras, everyone has their own way of doing it. Some prefer using just cement and sand, while others mix in PVA glue or tile adhesive to give the binder more strength and flexibility. There are also those who use lime, especially for natural or traditional builds, where they want the floor to stay breathable and not trap moisture. And in some places, people still go for purely mud-based binding. It might take longer to dry, but it gives that warmth, rustic look that's hard to replace. At the end of the day, the method you choose really depends on the kind of finish you want, the weather in your area, and what materials are easy to access. We left the fundis to continue as we went to bring more stones. And let me tell you, when we first brought the first stones, we thought 3 piles would be enough, only to realize later that they'd finish so fast. The good thing is that around here, Mazeras is easy to find. The grey ones we started with from the first batch were from a river. Then these brown ones we are choosing now are from nearby hills and quarries. Every time someone visits here, be it people delivering materials, friends, fundis who are coming here for the first time, passers-by, even when our family came, there is always that same look on their face, curiosity mixed with surprise. The first question is always, does this roof really not leak? Then, where did you even get this design from? And finally, where did you find such beautiful makuti? But what makes me smile the most is when they step inside, then say how cool and calm the house feels. And they just nod, because this home carries both our minds in it. My husband's and mine. Every curve, every idea, every small detail is something we dreamt up together. And I just love how we think differently, how we find beauty in things people often overlook. This home is proof that when two imaginations meet, magic happens, quietly but powerfully. If you haven't watched the previous video, kindly go back and see how this floor journey began. It really helps you understand how far we've come. It's always heartwarming seeing people's reaction, and it reminds me why we share all this with you. If you're new here, welcome to our family. We love having new people join us and see what we've been building. There is a full playlist showing everything from the very beginning till now. So feel free to catch up, share your thoughts, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As you watch the rest of the video, just take it in, the effort, the love, and the patience behind every stone we lay.
Yes. Wewe. Baba. Wewe ndio baba. Wewe ndio baba wangu wewe na. Yo ani anda.
Kau kan keluar dari sana. Ambil.
Kau nak ngalar dulu. Nana. Oh, mungkin. Nah. Nana mana? Nana mana?
Ada apa kamu?
Dia lah dia keluar tu mungkin. Bukan ni.
Ini.
Aku yang muda.
Ano kalau kaya nakatong
Aye, no pendo ingia. Aye, aku ada lawan ni. Ye zo go ya, yo na tu. Aye de na, o de na. O da wezi. Wa mbeza wezi. Ada. Mwana ni. Bisa. Umundi. Gado la bio. Na na mwe vai. Aye na ndo kujiana.
Nó môi ba. Tại biết mùa mà mùi gì.
Có nói nhiều mùa nào nó mùi. Nhiều nào.
Hả?
Ọmọ òun ìbọn mọ̀ ẹ́ wá. Wọ́n mọ̀ sáà gbọ́ ọmọ ìgbà.
Ni ba buja na mgoju.
Oh.
Oyo moto kani kama pale. Si hivyo tu. Si ni hiyo una hilo ngombe yako hapo bana hapo. Na
So this is where we've reached today. Both bedrooms and the washroom are done. The arc is complete and drying nicely, and the windows are freshly painted. I'm in love. Keep dreaming, keep building, and most importantly, live the life that feels true to you. Until next time, bye. We shall try again tomorrow.